Okay, this is obviously the case for the cheap Chinese indicator tips. I took all those out, made a case for them. And this top part slides off. And there's all the indicators from the cheap Chinese ones. And then I've got all these angled ones down here in this drawer. And in order to get the fill material out, or the support material out, I had to put a plug down here. And it goes in there nice and tight. The first one I made actually cracked it because it was too big. So I made a second one that was, now it's just right. But I'm not going to reprint this again. It's just a little crack, so I'm not worried about it. If I started all over, then there would be no crack because this one fits. So it's a little snug. It'll probably loosen up after a little while of using it. And there you go, indicator tip case. Actually, I was flipping it upside down and nothing fell out, so it's all good.